Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share how to use flax seeds for hair growth. Flax seeds are very high in omega-3 fatty acids that help nourish the hair follicles. It makes the hair follicles stronger and healthy, thus greatly preventing hair loss, both when taken internally and applied externally. It is also rich in B vitamins, which helps reduce the dryness of hair. Usually, nutritionists recommend consuming ground flax seeds because the ground flax seeds are easier to digest than the whole seeds. Grinding also helps break the hard seed coat, which is difficult to do if we chew the whole seeds. You can add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to a cup of water and drink it every day. I also love to sprinkle it over dosas along with little onions and pepper. It's a great way to give it to young children. Lastly, I love to add ground flax seeds in smoothies. You can add it along with any plant-based milk if you're vegan, along with dates and your favorite nuts to make a healthy and filling smoothie that will nourish your hair and skin. Flax seeds are very high in fiber, so please don't overconsume it, else it will cause stomach problems like bloating, stomach pain, etc. If it does, reduce the quantity of flax seeds you're consuming and increase it slowly over time. It also interacts with blood thinner medications. The first way to use flax seeds for external application is to make a hair gel with it. This hair gel, when applied onto the hair as a pack, nourishes and conditions the hair really well. For the gel, boil 1/4 cup of flax seeds in 2 cups of water, making sure to stir often to prevent flax seeds sticking to the bottom of the pan. Boil for 5 minutes and immediately strain through a very thin muslin cloth. Press the muslin cloth with tongs to extract the gel completely. If you let the gel thicken too much, it will be hard to squeeze out the gel. Let the gel come to lukewarm temperature. You can also add in few drops of hair growth promoting essential oils like rosemary too. To use, apply this gel all over the scalp and hair. Wait for an hour before having hair wash. To use flaxseed oil, take cold pressed flaxseed oil and massage it all over the scalp. Now dip a thick cotton cloth in hot water, squeeze out the water completely and wrap your hair with it. Wait till it cools down completely before having hair wash. Both these hair treatments work wonders in promoting fast hair growth. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.